Just before we continue, my name is Flory, and welcome to this channel dedicated to health and how the human body works. The goal here is to explain in a simple way how your body functions and to give you practical tips to take better care of your health. If you want to support the project and make sure you don't miss anything, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it really helps us a lot. Now, let's continue. Right now, inside every cell of your body, a process is happening that sounds almost violent. Your body is identifying its own components, tagging them, and literally eating them alive. But this isn't a malfunction. This is autophagy. It is the body's most sophisticated internal recycling system. It's how your cells identify broken proteins, damaged mitochondria, and metabolic waste, and turn them into raw energy. This mechanism is so fundamental to human survival that its discovery won the Nobel Prize in 2016. Yet most people still treat their bodies like simple machines that just need fuel. If you don't understand how to trigger this process, your cells are essentially accumulating biological trash that accelerates aging and fuels disease. But if you can master it, you unlock the key to cellular longevity. Today, we're breaking down the science of how to flip the switch on autophagy. This isn't just wellness advice, it's a masterclass in how you actually survive. The word comes from Greek, autos, meaning self, and phagon, meaning to eat. Self-eating. The concept was first observed in the 1960s when scientists noticed that cells could form membrane sacs around their own damaged contents and send them to be broken down. But it wasn't until the 1990s that a Japanese cell biologist named Yoshinori Ohsumi discovered the genes that control this process. His work revealed something profound. Autophagy isn't cell death, it's cell survival. It's the mechanism your body uses to recycle, repair, and renew itself from the inside out. Here's how it actually works at the molecular level. When autophagy is triggered, a double membrane structure called an autophagosome begins to form inside the cell. It wraps around targeted cargo, damaged proteins, dysfunctional organelles, even intracellular pathogens. Once sealed, the autophagosome fuses with a lysosome, an organelle packed with digestive enzymes. The contents are broken down into their raw components: amino acids, fatty acids, nucleotides. These are then recycled, sent back into the cell as building material. Think of it as the cell's own waste management and parts recycling facility, running continuously, keeping everything clean and functional. And autophagy is selective. It doesn't just randomly destroy, it targets specific types of damage. Mitophagy removes defective mitochondria, the cell's energy generators. Ribophagy eliminates damaged ribosomes. Xenophagy destroys invading bacteria and viruses. Each process precisely targeted, each one essential. But autophagy doesn't run all the time. It's controlled by two opposing molecular switches. The first is mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin. When nutrients are abundant, especially amino acids and glucose, mTOR is active. And when mTOR is active, autophagy is off. The cell is in growth mode. The second switch is AMPK, AMP activated protein kinase. When the cell senses energy depletion during fasting, exercise, or caloric restriction, AMPK activates. mTOR is suppressed, and autophagy is switched on. This is the fundamental tension inside every cell: growth versus repair. And here's the problem. In modern life, most people are chronically in growth mode, eating every few hours, insulin elevated, mTOR always active. The repair cycle never gets a chance to run. This matters enormously because autophagy is one of the primary reasons cells age. As we get older, autophagy efficiency declines, damaged proteins accumulate, defective mitochondria pile up, cellular waste builds. Scientists have found direct links between impaired autophagy and some of the most devastating diseases of aging. Alzheimer's disease, characterized by the accumulation of toxic protein aggregates like tau and amyloid beta. Parkinson's disease, linked to the buildup of alpha-synuclein in neurons. type 2 diabetes, associated with dysfunctional mitochondria in muscle and liver cells. In each case, the failure isn't always a new disease attacking the body. Sometimes, it's the repair system shutting down. Now, a common misconception. Many people hear your body is eating itself and think, that sounds like muscle loss. But that's not what autophagy is. Autophagy is highly selective. It targets damaged and dysfunctional material, not healthy muscle tissue. In fact, autophagy is essential for muscle health. It clears out damaged proteins after exercise, making room for new, stronger fibers to form. Another myth. You need to fast for days to get any autophagy benefit. Current research suggests measurable autophagy begins after 14 to 16 hours of fasting in humans. Short, consistent windows, not extreme deprivation. So how do you actually support autophagy? 4 science-backed approaches. 1. Intermittent fasting. A 16 to 8 eating window. 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating is the most studied trigger. Insulin drops. mTOR quiets. Autophagy initiates. 2. Exercise. High intensity and endurance training both trigger autophagy, particularly in muscle cells and neurons. Even a single session of moderate exercise has been shown to upregulate autophagy genes. 3. Sleep. Deep sleep, stages 3 and 4, is one of the most powerful natural autophagy windows. The brain in particular undergoes intensive cellular cleanup during slow-wave sleep. This is one reason chronic sleep deprivation is so damaging at the cellular level. 4. Caloric restriction without malnutrition. Reducing overall caloric intake while maintaining micronutrient density consistently extends cellular autophagy time across multiple studies. And what blunts autophagy? Constant eating, even healthy food, persistent insulin elevation, chronic stress, and ironically, excessive protein supplementation outside training windows, which chronically activates mTOR. Let's bring it together. Autophagy is your body's built-in cellular recycling system, a Nobel Prize-winning mechanism that removes damaged components, recycles cellular waste, and literally keeps your cells young. It's controlled by the balance between mTOR, the growth switch, and AMPK, the repair switch. Modern eating patterns chronically suppress it, and its decline with age is directly linked to some of the most serious diseases we face. The good news, you have genuine, science-backed tools to support it through fasting, exercise, sleep, and mindful eating timing. Your body already knows how to repair itself. The question is whether you're giving it the chance. If you found this useful, subscribe for more evidence-based breakdowns of how your body actually works. Next week, we go even deeper into the molecular machinery keeping you alive.